This is our house for the next 7 days, where we'll be fishing, canoeing, geocaching,
Got gypped again.
and hiking to some pretty cool waterfalls. Oh, very nice. We opted for the pool instead of the lakefront property. We'll see if we regret that or not. All right, we're gonna get settled in here, probably get some dinner, and maybe we'll go fishing bright and early in the morning. See you then. It's 9:30 and it's been raining all morning, but it finally quit. So I think we're gonna head down to the lake and try to catch some fish.
I smell it. Here. Oh, holy. Nice one. A fish?
Yeah, he did. A big one.
Whoa, wow.
Nash just got a decent sized largemouth.
Oh, good one.
We caught a few fish, but it's getting quite windy, so I think we're gonna call it a day for now. It's been rainy all day, so we've just been hanging out inside, but there's a short break in the rain, so Nash and I are going to take a car ride around the lake and just check it out. There's a random chicken sitting over there. This reservoir was built in 1861 to 1863, and it was built to supply the Erie Canal, which is a 363-mile waterway in upstate New York that connects the Hudson River to Lake Erie. It's a woolly mammoth! There's all kinds of geocaches right around here. It's still raining a little bit, but we were cooped up all day yesterday and all morning, so we're just gonna get out there and see if we can find anything. 0.29 miles. Porta potty. 148 feet, but it's gonna be right up there on that tree. You guys found it?
A little Hot Wheels car, padlock, a pen, and the booklet.
Yay, we found it! Woo-hoo. Now, unlike the Miley Cyrus song, that geocache was not worth the climb. Time to fish. We did about 2 hours of fishing and caught one fish. There's a waterfall about 4 miles from here, so we're gonna go check that out right now. It's quite a bit warmer than it has been the last couple days. One big solid rock. No. These are the lower Delphi Falls, and they're 65 feet tall. Now we're on our way up to the upper falls, and these ones are only 52 feet high, I think. Sure are a lot of steps on this one. Those are the falls we were just at. It's got all these stairs to go. Oh wow. The bottom waterfalls are definitely better than the top waterfall. Now we go all the way back down. The kids are swimming in the pool, so Mallory and I are going to go canoe the lake until we can see the house. Ooh. There's our house that we're staying in. Well, that's it. That's all we want to see. Now we're gonna paddle all the way back.
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Wish I had my net.
Yeah.
I couldn't catch him. So I just Googled it, and it seems like that bass is suffering from barotrauma, which means he was reeled up from the bottom too fast, so any air in his swim bladder expanded, and now he can't get rid of it and go back down to the bottom. There are two ways to fix this. You stick a needle in their side and suck out some of that air, and the other one is you drop them down in a weighted basket and let them out that way.
Oh, that was beautiful.
It's another beautiful day, and we're going to go check out another waterfall. This one you can walk behind, so this will be exciting. Hey, I'm subscribed to that guy. Well, those waterfalls weren't that spectacular, but it was really cool that you could walk behind them.
That is a ginormous fly.
Jake and I went fishing, but I forgot my camera. Luckily, I took pictures. Those clouds look pretty promising. Let's go geocaching.
Clear up any minute.
Rain's gone, let's go find these geocaches. Now we got 2 regular ones to find. Hit it.
We got a rock, a little card thing, a pencil.
There's nothing cool. We got gypped again.
All right, back to the house. There's rain that's supposed to show up in about an hour and a half, so we're gonna try to get fishing in real quick. But this time, taking the paddle boat.
Look at this guy, dude.
Just caught a pickerel. Very nice. Throw him back in. Very nice. You see it, Nash? I think we gotta get going because it's starting to rain. I think we made the right choice. It's really starting to come down. Stream is right next to the house, and after all that rain we just got, it's running pretty good. We just got done eating dinner, and now we're going to try to catch some fish for the last time.
Oh, already. Oh, it's a little pickerel. Catching them real good today.
That was a hard hit. I bet it's a pickerel.
It is a pickerel.
Whoop! Oh! I need 2 more to catch up to Nash. Well, that was a hard hit.
Was that a fish?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he missed it.
Oh, he's coming right after it. I can see the ripple in the water.
Yeah, I saw that one. Oh man, he let
You
go.
lost him.
Darn it.
It's raining. I think we're gonna say Nash is the winner. He got 2 bass and a pickerel. I only got 1 pickerel. Well, we're all packed up and we're ready to go. We had a great time on this vacation and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.